Monday, he doesn't want to be on camera, but I'll show you what he's got. Wire, copper, all the coils. Heavy iron. Not a bad load. Basura. Basura.
Aquí tiene un material aquí.
Yeah. Sí. On extrusion, and it's already a scorcher. Ochenta uno. Ochenta uno. Good. Look who it is right there. See? He still comes in, guys. Extruded first, sir? How was your weekend?
Short.
Short? Like always?
As always.
Why is the weekend always so short?
Yeah, there's only 2 days to go by that quick.
It's because I work on the weekend now. I work on the weekend, so I don't get to enjoy it.
That doesn't help either.
Yeah. I think next weekend I'm gonna take it off. I'm going to, yeah. Probably that one. Aluminum, yeah. This over here. These bad boys right here that are like 100 feet long. What's that? Yeah.
Have you had a chance to get a bin over there?
That's what it's gonna be for. No, I did not make that.
You can't weld aluminum.
What's that?
You can't weld aluminum.
I don't have the capability, no. I would have to get a different gas and wire. I hope he paints those things. Huh?
Not like he's gonna make it really rusty and then clear coat.
Well, it's just that like William was saying that like when you're handing them out in front of the crowd can't really see it at night, you know? So if it was like,
You're not gonna see it.
if it was a bright green or a bright orange. Oh, another one. Jeez. What's this? I saved the bread just for you. There you go, girl. He's being tracked. Oh, the magnet came off. That's why. Where's the magnet? Where's the magnet? It's right there. Very low battery.
Yeah, can you stand on the gallon? You're all over here get the play game for the boat.
I think they're right behind you in the hole by the Colmar shear. They're picking up stainless.
What I was throwing out.
Huh?
I found it last night, and I was throwing it out in the yard.
Aluminum.
Yeah, I thought it was like regular stuff. When I look at the front, I say, wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Yeah. Then after he leaves, I can dump these two bins.
Some kind of swing, no?
Yeah, some swing set. Heavy.
I never seen him, man. I don't
Heavy.
think it was. Yeah.
Good copper in there.
Yeah.
All the rest is dirty. Save those. It's gonna rain most of the week, from what I saw.
What to be like 1 cent today?
Hot.
Temperature, like 1 cent. Oh, look, some more here. This one.
Yeah, 5 pounds a piece. And add the 10 pounds onto him. $175. Oh, we got extrusion to do. Yeah, forgot about those. Nothing good in there.
Hold the free motor over there.
179. 179. Some electric motors to clean. You gotta take the gearbox off. We can take that off there. Take that gearbox off. This gearbox off. Let's hop to it and see if we can. Then we got to pick them up and drop them. Why would you have a plastic guard? Why would you have a plastic guard? That's crazy. That one I think I'm gonna unbolt by hand
Take your car back out first.
because that's stainless bolts. That's all stuff for out there, yep. Make sure this is on 0. Yeah. Did we have a good weekend?
Yeah, pretty good. Yeah.
Not too bad, huh? Motor. Holy heavy. How was your weekend? Good.
These are all new.
It's all aluminum. Yeah. Good catch. Look at that. That didn't stick. Christmas lights. Yay. The rim can go on that one. $60 on aluminum. One on the rim. Now they're wire. Oh, and the coil. No, I'll take that. No. Huh? Oh, right there. 38. No. You know that's brass, right? I'll take it off. £2 of Christmas lights.
You know that insulation wire?
Yeah.
And
Which one? The one over here or the one in the bin?
whichever on our side is 2.5.
It's what? 2 something? Wow. That's for this wire. right?
No, non-strip.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Right.
You like that woman?
I can try, yeah. 7, 7, 7.
Strip, it goes from
What's that?
strip. It goes from $3.75 to $4.
Wow. That's good money. No? Clean breath. One, 2. Oh,
31 pounds.
This over there?
yeah.
This one.
What's that, Al?
What is the transmission?
The transmission? Yeah. We gotta go right here. Maybe me and you can grab that. That's a Ford, ain't it? Ready?
No, not yet. Let me get everything undone here. Alright. Wait a minute. Alright. Got them. I got the heavy end again, didn't I?
That's as far as you didn't have to go that far. $257. Things around the yard here. Look at this old Niagara press brake. Old water truck. Trailer that just probably needs a new decking. That's a baler like the one I have that we use up front. Good for spare parts. That's all back here. We got like a milk truck or a milk tanker.
Did you hear me, Mike? Yeah, I'm on my way out.
It's part of a roll-off truck. Trailers, dirt back here. There's our old Sandy. Man, she got scratched bad. And there is one of our old shears. They've just parked her. Man, he's cleaned up all this. Man, the torch guy's doing great. Cut up all this. Yeah, so that's some of the cool stuff that we got back here. At least I think it's cool. That's my old crane. I got that thing when it was brand new. That coal mine. They blew up the engine. Not me. The last operator. Fire pit with nice generator. Zero turn. Western Star. It's a nice looking truck. And I'm locked in. Yeah, that's right. I wish they wouldn't have dumped that there. We gotta cut all these off. Cut that off. Cut the motor out. Golly. It's so hot.
Is that extrusion?
Yeah, barely.
Barely?
Barely.
Come on, bro.
Come on, man. Wow. Don't throw those. Don't throw those.
I'm gonna make it black.
If it hits the ground, it's mine. Okay? If it hits the ground. See? Look at that old milk jug. Yeah. Those are cool. And you should put that toolbox in the back of your truck.
Put what on every truck?
No sealed unit today?
No. Not yet. Brass, you think? It's magnetic in certain spots. I wasn't sure there was a steel pole that ran through it or what.
About this. Steel, huh? Yeah. Junk. Good scrap for out back. I need to get my book or get my phone. What do you call a hen that counts her eggs?
Optimist?
Mathemachicken.
I'm a turp, I'm a pup, I'm a tarp, I'm a pup.
What am I?
Calm down, you're just two cents.
It's just 2 cents. What did one candle say to the other?
I'm burning to meet you.
Do you want to go out tonight?
Do you want to go out? Yeah, Mom says I can't cook dinner because she's revolting. Well, you're pretty repulsive yourself.
I wonder if what's a plumber's favorite vegetable?
Plumber's favorite vegetable. don't know.
A leak.
In many ways, my step ladder feels more like a real ladder.
What? I don't.
Step ladder,
Oh.
as in
Why was the metal wire so upset?
the metal wire so upset. Because someone clipped him,
It was getting all bent out of shape over nothing.
then out of shape over nothing. Oh, they're getting worse.
A whole lot of nuts and bolts right there that the boys had to spend the last hour or two just picking it by hand. See it like this is up. If it doesn't hit the wall, that piece is sticking out up there. I'm afraid it's going to hit the wall before I get her on. Yeah, see, it's hitting the wall. So what I'm going to have to do I don't know. I got it. Huh? Stop. Oh, I missed. Wah, wah, wah. My game hasn't been strong today. What does it weigh? Wow, they picked up a lot of stuff. They picked up over 2,000 pounds of stainless out there. These are SpaceX plans. This all came from SpaceX. They must be doing some type of clean out up there. I was trying to see if there's a piece in here. Always check, see, because this is probably, that's aluminum, that's stainless. Just check and CYOA. All right. That's steel. Steel. Okay. 2693. A decent load going so far. 16 items are on the trailer right now. Almost. I'm gonna try that again. It's split. See it. Just got to go up higher now. more. Cut the bolts some more. Third time's a charm. We'll try it one more time. One more time. Try from a different angle. Nope, we're gonna have to use the machine for this. Dang it. I was hoping they just split. 95 degrees right now. Man, this is scorching, man. Holy cow. This is what I wanted to do too, before I forget. little bit of beer money for the bar right here, right?
100%.
100%. Yeah. Let's stop at the hitching post.
All three of these, right?
Yep. Then all the wire goes right in this brown one.
Even this big shit?
The big stuff, yeah. Let me see. No, I'll come over here. So, as it is right now, I know you won't do it, but it's $1.70.
Okay.
If you strip it, it's $3.45. So
Maybe next time.
that's what I said. That's what I said. I said I know you're not going to.
All the little shit goes.
Yep. That goes on that brown one. 6, 1. All right. Copper.
Is this stainless?
2. Yeah. Goes in that far one. Yep.
Stainless aluminum tin or is that aluminum?
Oh, I dumped that on the guys and they sorted.
Oh, really?
So.
That's it, right?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. How much beer are you gonna make?
$35. Look at the old square body. Now look what came in. Caterpillar. Excavator.
You got a copy?
Put, you can put the thumb on. I bet this thing would start.
Give me a
I bet it would
frost-proof
start.
HVAC for Carl.
She's seen better days. Yeah, it all got hot. Yeah. Steel radiator. But it probably has a great core engine. Pretty cool. And this square body. Oh, and here's a TCM that caught on fire.
When the prices are down.
Only when the prices are down.
Yeah, that's great. Now, here, do you want this?
Yep.
Alright.
Motor. Just the generator part. Yeah, and that box.
What's this?
Mr. Temple and Mr. Morosco. Strudel. Hold on. The one that's full. Heavy iron. Yeah. Heavy iron. You'd have to take off the tires and stuff like that to get light. Yeah. It's not worth it. Not worth it.
Right now, really.
Yep.
You can get out of here.
Husqvarna. That's a motor. Yep, that's a motor. You know, if you clean this,
Yeah, I'll keep it.